You next, but let's start right here.
Henry Bortman, astrobiology.
So this is the looking through the eyes of the stereo imager onto the robotic arm, and you can see how it's rested, and you can see this mosaic picture of the whole robotic arm. Everything looks nominal to us. We love to see hardware that we last saw on Earth, you know, now that it's resting peacefully. Phoenix is healthy. Everything is fine. Is running out a sequence of commands that it has pre-stored on board. The MRO team is in the process of analyzing what had happened. They are also in the next several hours trying to turn that UHF radio back on, and hopefully everything would be, you know, just back to normal.
And there is the image in color. In our second image, the knowledge of the location was so accurate that we could get in the full-res image. You can actually see the stripes on the parachute here. You can see a hint of the strings, and it bounced. This thing was dropped and just free-falled when it was released from the parachute. And the next slide shows the lander itself. There it is in color. It stands out remarkably well against dark red Mars.
Those have shifted between the taking of the upper picture and the lower picture, and that's why it doesn't line up. But this is a place we're going to get to know very well over the next 3 months. We are fairly sure, both from Alfred's pictures and from some preliminary elevation maps we've made, that we'll be able to get into one of the troughs between the polygons, and that has the science team quite excited to be able to look at the difference between the underlying surface and ice in the trough area and then in the middle of one of the polygons that we've seen.
We go to Peter Smith now to answer the other question. Go ahead, Peter.